prosperity, and abundance. Today I'm making a massaged kale salad, and I wanted to take you all through this process of how I make my salads. I really love these, and this is a really great way to get your greens in and to get that fiber in you. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, today we're making a massaged kale salad, and we're starting off with freshly washed organic kale from the DeKalb Farmers Market in Atlanta, Georgia. I like to start by chopping my kale up either with a knife or pulling it apart with my hands so we have smaller pieces of the leaves to work with. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes depending on how much kale you have and if you want to separate the stalks from the leaves. Okay, I'm finally done separating the kale into smaller pieces. This is what it looks like before I begin to massage it. After I finish with the kale, I chop up the veggies that I'm going to use to top my salad with. In this case, I'm using cucumbers, onions, and tomatoes. Now let's get into the dressing. The dressing is what you'll massage the kale with in order to soften it and add flavor to it. I start off with using at least 2 or 3 lemons. Then I used a cold pressed grapeseed oil. Next, we have a bit of nutritional yeast. I use this because I like the flavor and the texture it adds to the salad. And this is the most important component of the recipe to add for flavor, the Bragg's liquid aminos. After that, we add the cayenne pepper for spice and to reduce inflammation in the body. Then we have a dash of pink Himalayan sea salt, and we can't forget the black pepper. After that, we add a few dried herbs like basil, rosemary, and thyme. You mix it all together and then add the fresh garlic to it. Mix it all together. I usually mix it with a spoon, put it all into a bottle or a jar and shake it all up, and that's a great way to mix it together as well. After that, we get into massaging the kale. And if you don't want to mess on your hands and all of the ingredients under your nails, I suggest that you wear gloves. I usually massage the kale without the gloves in order to massage it and let my energy flow into the foods, and I'll say a little prayer and affirmations and express my gratitude for the abundance that is my life and that exists all around me, and the abundance of the foods that I am taking into my body that God and Source Energy has blessed us here with, and giving thanks for this wonderful meal. When I say massage, I mean really stick your hands in there, touch all of the kale, make sure the dressing touches every leaf inside of the bowl, and begin to massage it until it softens and absorbs the dressing you've just created. Peace, prosperity, abundance, love, joy. I thank you for the nutrients you are providing to my cells, my blood, my organs. I thank you for great health and vitality and longevity. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. If you watch me massage the leaves, you'll notice that the size of the leaves shrinks. I forgot to chop the onions at the beginning because I like for everything to be coated with the dressing. So after I start adding all of my toppings, I massage it all in together so they're touched with the dressing that I made at the beginning. Okay, and that's it. We are done with the massaged kale salad. Also, if you try out this recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Exploring Essence and let me know in the comments below how you liked it. And thank you for watching this video. Peace, prosperity, and abundance. Make sure that you subscribe.